Imagine a no-code AI Chrome extension maker which works within your browser. Let me show you. To start using it, simply click on the Chrome extension. Over here, you'll be able to create a new AI Chrome extension to do whatever you need it to. The possibilities are endless. Let's test it right now. Let's create an email responder. The prompt will be, respond to this email with empathy. My name is Daniel. My phone number is 123-456-789. That's all. Now let's click create your email responder. Now it's completely ready to be used. All you need to do is paste your email in here. But that's the long way of doing things. Let's make things much more automated. I'm going to go into Gmail right now and click on an email that I want to respond to. I highlight the email, then click on the Chrome extension. You will note that the Chrome extension instantly has the email inside the text box. But still, this isn't automated enough for me. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on automation options. Then click on load on click of extension. The email responder will load when the page loads, if the link is like this. If you want it to work on all emails, simply delete the last part and click save. It will now work on every single email page. Let's refresh the page and test again. Let's highlight the email and click the extension, and let's see what happens. Here's the answer. The email has been responded. Let's see if it remembered my name. Yes, it remembered my name. Fantastic. It responded to the email. To copy this, click here and then paste into the reply box. Fantastic. Let's think of another example which can come very useful. Let's create a summarizer. Summarize the content. Create your summarizer and select it. Now you can either type here the text or paste it in and click summarize now, or you can automate the entire process. So for example, if you go to the bottom of the page, click on automation options, click load on click of extension, it will now load whenever you go to this page. Let's test it. Load on click of extension, and it will summarize the text automatically. You can then copy the summary to your clipboard. This was the in-browser AI Chrome extension builder without any code by Generate.net. Generate.net is a website that has multiple apps, including email responders, ChatGPT 4, and image generation. Try it today. Thank you for watching.